Ito yung boardwalk. Okay, that's the boardwalk. And going to the Ferris wheel. Sunset na. At what time is it? It's 4 o'clock. At the sun is setting na. 4:30. Sunset here is 4:30. Oh, December 21. Winter solstice. Okay. Pasok ka na sa loob mo kung giniginaw ka na. Ito, painit eh. Meron din silang ano dito. Fire ano. Keep you warm. Keep us warm. Okay. There. Easy with his Osmo. Yan. Atlantic Ocean. Ito yung kanilang boardwalk. Yan, there. So cold. It's like 100 degrees. It's so cold, pero merong gustong mag-swimming pa over there. Naka bathing suit. Nag-swimming.
Hindi. Kasi warm kasi ang ano eh.
Di tubig.
Yan. Okay. Okay.
Nag-swimming. Kami nga noon na ano, hindi kami nag-swimming sa indoor eh. Pero may indoor naman eh.
Sa lamig.
Mainit. Mainit ang tubig. Baka
May nagsiswimming.
Daw na niya.
Sa lamig, meron pang nagsiswimming.
Sandali lang naman kasi. Swimming ko lang siya oh. Buka na siya.
Kita pa ito. Kibusyal.
Ganda ng effect nitong ano.
Ang ganda na ng sunset.
Sunset. At ocean. Ocean, what is this?
Ocean Resort.
Ocean Resort. Atlantic City.